The Keto Up is basically a new technology we call like free cell technology. So a lot of times when people like, I need energy right now, so I'm gonna go to a Red Bull. The Keto Up is a healthy alternative that actually improves all your function but gets you going right now.
Think about this, like when someone drinks protein, or if someone takes creatine, there's one real benefit of that, right? Like there's a one benefit. And at first, the main benefit of ketones are that they are a different fuel source than carbohydrates or glucose, particularly for your brain. And now why does that matter? Well, first off, after the age of 30, and this is in every single individual, after the age of 30, our brain's ability to utilize carbohydrates and glucose goes down significantly. Well, it's starting to happen to our brain. Our brain can't utilize glucose and carbohydrates as well. And so we have a totally other source of fuel. But before Prove It, the only way that was really able to be accomplished was by extreme fasting or a ketogenic diet.
The free cell technology is an immediate technology. So that raises ketones up to the highest, quickest extent. Whereas the other ketones are like more sustained. This is the fastest peak ketone. So it's like, I want to get in ketosis right now, immediately, and I want that huge burst of energy. That's the free cell technology, because it's not bound to a mineral. When you drink them, they're absorbing immediately into your body. So it's like that quick switch trigger. It's a good lifestyle drink, and it's the ultimate, I think, healthy pick-me-up.